we are. Blitz and I are hiking. He stopped a couple times. He's doing better. We're almost there. Come on, Blitz. Come on. Come on, Blitz. Let's go. Come on, go. Good boy, go. Walk. Come on. The steep part is over. Come on, Blitz. Come on. Where are you? Go. Hike, hike, hike. Come on. We're almost there. Good job, Blitz. Come on, go. You missed the hard part, Brittany. I didn't see your text about videotaping it till now. And we're almost there. Right around the bend from the cross. See? We did all this. Okay. Come on, Bitsy. As soon as the soil starts changing color, it gets a little more orangey. And that's my clue that we're almost there. Here we go. It's getting a little more orangey. See the cross? Come on, Bates, let's get to the cross. Good. Oh boy, he sees it. I feel him pulling. Let's run a little bit. Run. Good boy, Bats. You can get some water. Go. Go. Come on. We're almost there. Come on, Betsy. There's a bench. Up to the top, let's go. And then it changes. No, 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 don't rest. Come on. Blitz, we're almost there. Come on. Come on, let's go to the top. See how the soil changes? Come on, Blitz, we can do it. You can't give up. Come on, up. Go, walk. Come on. We're almost there, Blitz. Come on. Come on, Blitzy. I see it, Blitz. Come on, let's go. Yay. Come on. Come on, a little more. More. Yay, Blitz. Up here, Blitz. Up, up. Come on. Touch the cross. Yay. We did it. Oh shit, I'm recording it the wrong way. Dang it. Let me turn it now. Good video. And this is our view